Hey there, this is Ali at SafeNet. I would like to show you a few details about vClock that we presented starting from LDK 7.1. Currently, it can be done only LeakGen API. In the future, the EMS will also support it. vClock or virtual clock is a matter of fact the ability for you as an ISV to use regular Sentinel HL keys, which don't have normally RTC real-time clock inside, to use them as if they really have real-time clock inside them. And therefore, for instance, if you use license in a way of expiration date, which means that you need to know where the date comes for expiration, and then you need a real-time clock normally, nevertheless, you will be able to take a normal key like max and not time like max that don't have RTC inside, real-time clock, and use it normally as if it has RTC inside. Of course, regarding the security, the RTC, the real-time clock that resides inside time and net time keys is the most secure, that's for sure. However, this vClock is much more secure than the Windows system clock, and therefore it is nice to use it if you want to gain more security and still use non-RTC keys. You should know that this mechanism of virtual clock is already being implemented for SL keys, meaning that if you use SL keys and therefore you have to use time-based licenses, the clock that is being used is not the Windows system clock, but a virtual clock, which is a mechanism, an algorithm that use also, of course, the system clock, but knows better how to configure the real time. One important thing that you should know is that it is for Sentinel HL key, which has the driverless configuration only. And here is a sample how to use it. You can, using the LeakGen API, you use an XML in the product, and you just specify yes or no for use vClock. And then you can set the time of the vClock using the vClock time, and here you set the time. More details about vClock you can find in our documentation. Thank you for watching.